Hi everyone, Paolo here. Welcome to the channel where I make how-to videos. In this video, we're going to learn how to replace the battery of a PS4 Pro DualShock 4 controller. So how do you know if you have a DualShock controller? So when you try to press the power button, if you see this indicator on the touch bar, that means you have a DualShock controller. So the battery that I got is the LIP1522. Make sure this is the model you get because the connector pin is smaller on this one. This one is rated at 1000 milliamps. There's an option for 2000 as well. I'll drop a link on the description below. Let's go replace the battery. Okay, now I use the sponger. Just look for a gap. Slowly lift it up and you'll see this cable. So this cable is for the power. Simply pull that out. And this is the battery, so just lift that up. And this should go. Not sure if you could see this, but this is the connector. So this faces this way. The barcode faces up. And if you could hook this up like so. So the black pin goes to the left, the red pin is on the right side. So there you go. Next, hook back the cable. So hook it up to your charger. It could take up to 2 hours to recharge if the battery is really flat. So hope you like this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Cheers. Bye for now.